Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Talisha Alvini from the Economic Education Study Program, Concentration in Accounting Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Dear Miss Dr. Rida Prihatni, SEAK MSc, as Supervisor 1, and Dr. Mardi MSc, as Supervisor 2. Today, I would like to present about thesis proposal with the title, The Influence of Academic Self-Concept, Academic Interest, Parents' Academic Expectation, and Social Support on Academic Anxiety in Economic Education Student 2018. Here is the subject of discussion for my thesis proposal. For Chapter 1, Background of Research, Research Question, Research Purpose, Benefit of Research, and Research Novelty. Chapter 2, Supporting Theory and Hypothesis Development. Chapter 3, Research Time and Place, Population and Sample, Technique Collection Data, and Technique Analyze Data. The first thing I will discuss in Chapter 1 is the background of research. Here are some of the problems that arise from the presence of COVID-19. News 1, students who are emotionally unstable with various triggers in their youth. Unlike the lecturers who tend to be more able to control their emotion. Therefore, within the scope of the implementation of online learning, it is hoped that the parties will understand each other better, don't burden each other, but work together to fix something that has happened. News 2, research from the Faculty of Psychology, University Indonesia, found that students have a high tendency to negative emotion. This tendency makes students vulnerable to anxiety, depression, and stress that can interfere with mental health. The COVID-19 pandemic has also affected students' vulnerability to anxiety and depression. To overcome this anxiety, a student needs support and guidance for lecture, universities, and students' parents. This support includes providing counseling service, understanding in learning activities, and providing place for storytelling. And News 3, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, students must adapt to the change that occur. As a result of this change in the learning system, students often encounter various types of obstacles. Barriers commonly faced by students include lack of self-concept, difficult understanding the material provided, lecture assignment that accumulated in a short time, homework that must be complete, and lack of support from friends. This can cause anxiety from students. In early 2020, the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak burst the education system in Indonesia. As a result of COVID-19, the implementation of education was also affected. Namely, the government took various ways to keep teaching and learning activities running by creating an online learning system. This can lead to academic anxiety. Academic anxiety is related to feelings of anxiety about the dangers that will come from the environment of academic institution. Academic anxiety has effect on students such as disturbed concentration, disturbed attention, excessive anxiety, tension, fear of delays, and avoidance of tasks in the academic field, so that it can also have an influence on academic achievement. Factors that affect academic anxiety are 1. Low academic self-concept, 2. Lack academic interest, 3. Parents' low academic expectation. And 4. Low social support. Research question. Is there an influence between academic self-concept on academic anxiety in economic education student? 2. Is there an influence between academic interest on academic anxiety in economic education student? 3. Is there an influence between parents' academic expectation on academic anxiety in economic education student? 4. Is there an influence between social support on academic anxiety in economic education student? 5. Is there an influence between academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support on academic anxiety in economic education student? Research purpose. 1. For knowing if there is influence academic self-concept on academic anxiety in economic education students. 2. For knowing if there is influence academic interest on academic anxiety in economic education student. 3. For knowing if there is influence parents' academic expectation on academic anxiety in economic education student. 4. For knowing if there is influence social support on academic anxiety in economic education student. 5. For knowing if there is influence academic self-concept, academic interest parents, academic expectation, and social support on academic anxiety in economic education student. Benefit of research. Benefit theoretical. Study is beneficial for development knowledge education, give contribution in knowledge education related vulnerability, academic anxiety, as well as beneficial for study next. Benefit practical. 1. For student. It can be used as a material for self-introspection to determine the level of vulnerability of students' academic anxiety. 2. For teacher, making a concrete contribution to teachers in an effort to reduce academic anxiety experienced by students as well as providing support and motivation to students. Research novelty. The novelty in this research is to combine the variables of academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support as predictor of academic anxiety at the new research site, namely the State University of Jakarta. Next, I will discuss chapter 2, which is about supporting theory. 1. Sigmund Freud personality theory. This theory assumes that humans are driven by a sense of ego which will cause anxiety, a feeling of fear of something that will happen. 2. Self-concept theory. According to Mowen, this theory discusses that humans have structure or conception of themselves in the form of assessment of themselves. 3. Expectation theory. This theory was put forward by Victor H. Fromm, who explained that the power that will motivate a person to determine action that will produce the expectation desired by someone. 4. Motivation theory. The theory of motivation, proposed by Abraham Maslow, explained that basic human needs are physiology needs, security needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Next, academic anxiety. Academic anxiety is anxiety triggered by lack of confidence in one's ability to cope with academic tests. According to Priyanti et al., 2021 state that academic anxiety is a type of anxiety related to the dangers that will come from the environment of academic institution. According to Putz and Cassidy, 2020, state that academic anxiety arises because of concern that arise of learning failure in students. According to Permata and Widya Savitri, 2019, three components were found to be factors for student academic anxiety, that is, fear of evaluation, B. Behavior manifestation, C. Memory interference. Next. Indicator of academic anxiety. According to Kartika 2020, there are 6 indicators of academic anxiety. That is, showing symptoms of academic anxiety, 2. Bad study habits, 3. Anxiety from subjects, 4. Anxiety from the school environment, 5. Anxiety from the teacher, 6. Anxiety during exams. According to Paciotore et al., 2019, there are 3 indicators of academic anxiety. That is, anxiety during class, 2. Anxiety while studying, 3. Anxiety during the test. According to Du et al., 2021, there are 4 indicators of academic anxiety. That is, mental anxiety, 2. Lack of attention to tasks, 3. Physical anxiety, 4. Bad behavior. And then, based of the opinion of experts, the indicator of academic anxiety are 1. Anxiety during class, 2. Anxiety during learning, 3. Anxiety during exams. Okay, next, academic self-concept. Academic self-concept is an individual's thinking about oneself that is obtained through the experience of his interaction with the social environment, which result in an assessment of himself in the academic field. According to Gogol et al., 2017, academic self-concept is everything that refers to the individual's perception and feeling towards himself, which is related to the academic field, according to Kadir et al., 2017. Academic self-concept is an individual's academic perception or perception of a person's general abilities through interaction with other people. According to Martin et al., 2017, the factors of academic self-concept are 1. Knowledge, 2. Hope, 3. Individual evaluation. Indicator of academic self-concept. According to Sewa and Soeders 2019, there are several that affect the academic self-concept. That is, 1. External factors, family environment, class climate, lectures, and peers. 2. Internal factors, self-confidence, personal competence, and successful achievements. According to Samira and Zidni, 2016, academic self-concept is influenced by indicator that is 1. Experience, 2. Competence, 3. Self-achievement, 4. Self-actualization. According to Coppersmith, Tim Pustaka Familia, 2010, there are 4 indicators of academic self-concept. That is, 1. Competency ability factor, 2. Feeling factor, 3. Performance factor, 4. Strength factor. And then, based on the opinion of experts, the indicator of academic self-concept are 1. Environmental factor, 2. Competency ability factor, 3. Performance factor. Next, academic interest. Academic interest is a strong, intensive, and profound sense of interest in individuals accompanied by feelings of pleasure which are a source of motivation to do what is desired to increase academic knowledge. According to Lind and Darkson, 2018, academic interest is defined as a personal orientation toward activities to develop one's academic skill and knowledge. According to Uniarty et al. 2018, academic interest is defined as a person's relatively enduring tendency or generally emotional orientation when dealing with their text. The factor of the emergence of academic interest, according to Junior et al. 2018, consists of 3 factors, that is, 1. Internal past factor, 2. Social motivation factor, 3. Emotional factor. According to Lee and Dax 2018, the indicators of academic interest, that is, 1. Attention, 2. Interest, 3. Happenings, 4. Involvement. According to Gogol et al. 2017, academic interest is characterized by indicator that is 1. There is a feeling of pleasure to learn. 2. There is participant or involvement. 3. Attentive attitude. According to De Zhang and Wang 2020, the indicator of academic interest that is 1. Feeling happy, 2. Interest, 3. Attention, 4. Involvement, 5. Enthusiastic. And then, based on the opinion of experts, the indicators of academic interest that is 1. There is a feeling pleasure to learning. 2. There is sense of attention. 3. There is interest. 4. There is involvement in learning. Next, parents' academic expectation. Parents' academic expectation are the belief and expectation that parents have of their children's abilities in the field of education. According to Muhit and Mukaroma 2018, the academic expectation of parents are the demands of parents on their children to achieve high achievement. The demands themselves come from the expectation that parents have for their children to success in their academic fields. According to Cross et al. 2019, parents' academic expectations are when parents have high expectations for their children, which become motivation and achievement to encourage academic results. According to Yeli et al. 2019, the expectation of parents are divided into 4 dimensions, that is, 1. Personal hope, 2. Academic expectation, 3. Career expectation, 4. Parents' ambition. Next, indicator of parents' academic expectation. According to Muhit and Mukaroma 2018, the indicators of parents' academic expectation that is 1. Personal maturity, 2. Academic achievement, 3. child's future. According to Laughlin and Bierman, 2017, parents' academic expectations are marked by indicators that is 1. Hope that your child will excel. 2. Hope that the child is independent. 3. Hope that their children will achieve their dreams. 4. Hope that his son has a good career. And 5. Hope that his son behaves well. According to Yeli et al., 2019, the academic expectation of parents are divided into 4 indicators that is 1. Personal hope. 2. Academic expectation. 3. Career expectation. 4. Parents' wish. And then, based on the opinion of experts, the indicators of parents' academic expectation that is 1. Personal hope. 2. Academic expectation. 3. Career expectation. And social support can be in the form of providing information, behavioral assistance, or material obtained for co-social relationships that can make individuals feel cared for, value, and love. According to Pereira and Giacomo, 2016, social support is a form of behavior that fosters feelings of comfort and makes individuals believe that they are respected, valued, loved, and that others are willing to provide attention and security. According to Gili et al., 2018, social support is the assistance that individuals receive continuously from other individuals, groups, and society at large. According to Amseki et al., 2021, the factor in social support that is 1. Emotional support. 2. Word support. 3. Instrument support. 4. Information support. An indicator of social support. According to Asrifa et al., 2021, there are 5 indicators of social support. That is 1. Emotional support. 2. Word support. 3. Instrumental support. 4. Information support. 5. Social network support. According to Amseki et al., 2021, social support indicator that is 1. Emotional support. 2. Word support. 3. Instrument support. 4. Information support. According to Wicaksono 2016, there are 3 indicators of social support that is 1. Anxiety. 2. Exciting norms. 3. Relationship between individuals. And then, based on the opinion of expert, indicator of social support that is 1. Emotional support. 2. Word support. 3. Instrument support. 4. Information support. Next, hypothesis development. Academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, social support, academic anxiety. H1, academic self-concept has an influence on academic anxiety. H2, academic interest influence academic anxiety. H3, parents' academic expectation influence academic anxiety. H4, social support influence academic anxiety. And H5, academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support for academic problems. Next. Research method. Research time. This research was conducted in August 2022. Research place. This research was conducted at the State University of Jakarta, Faculty of Economics, Economics Education Study Program for 2018. Research approach and method. The approach to research is a quantitative approach, and the method used in this research is a survey method. Population and sample. The population in this study were students of Economic Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, 1st of 2018, and a sample of 102 students. Next, technique collection data. 1. Data collection technique in this study were sourced from primary data. Second, primary data was obtained from students of the 2018 Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. 3. The data collection technique used a questionnaire method. Next. And then technique analyze data. 1. Validity and reliability test. 2. Multiple regression analysis. 3. Normality test and linearity test. 4. Partial regression coefficient test, t-test. 5. Simultaneous regression coefficient test, f-test. And then 6. Multiple correlation coefficient test and coefficient of determinant test. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.